How to perform the initial setup on your Garmin Forerunner 955. Welcome to another Garmin Forerunner 955 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Forerunner 955 with your phone. So this will be either iPhone or Android phone, and we'll be using the Garmin Connect app on our phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is turn on the Forerunner 955. And we do that by just holding the light button for a second or two until you see the Garmin emblem. Right there. Now that it's on, go to your respective app store and download and install the Garmin Connect app. Check the description, I'll have direct links down there, so you just click that and open it up. Once you get the Garmin Connect app installed, go ahead and open up the app. And you might have to create an account if this is your first time using it. Now that we have the Garmin Connect app installed, go back to your Forerunner 955. And the first thing we're going to need to do is select our desired language. So you can use the up and down button to scroll through the languages, then use the start or stop button up here to select it. Once you've selected the language, for pair phone, go ahead and select that using start or stop, and then it'll be ready to pair with your phone. All we need to do is open up the camera on our phone, scan the QR code, and select the link. Now it'll open up the Garmin Connect app, and it will very quickly find your watch and then select connect it. Select pair. And then if you get any of these prompts asking if you want to allow notifications or location, things like that, I recommend allowing these because they allow more features to work on your watch. So now basically done. All we need to do is select next, and we can go through some of the different options for setting up our Forerunner 955. So if this is your primary wearable, select yes. Then you can configure your sleep time, and the Forerunner 955 will determine this itself, but this can help avoid any notifications while you're sleeping. So I configure my time, and then I select no so I don't receive notifications that will wake me up. After that, select next. You can then customize your step goal, or you can keep it as default, where the watch will kind of change your step goal based on your previous days. So if you meet your step goal, it'll raise it a little bit, but if you don't meet it, it'll lower it to kind of allow you to adjust. I'm going to go ahead and keep that. Now all we need to do is perform the initial sync with the watch, and if you have any data on Garmin, it'll upload that to the watch so that it has it. Now we can select finish, and we have now set up our Forerunner 955. All right, so that's how you perform the initial setup on your Garmin Forerunner 955. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 955 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. And if this video helped you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching.